Today we are going to build an amazing project called the Inchworm Robot. An inchworm is a type of caterpillar. It gets its name from its unique movement style, where it appears to be measuring the ground with its body, moving in a series of small, incremental steps. To build the robot we will use WitBricks and WitBlox. Take 3 5-hole beam and join them together as shown. Then take 1 motor and 2 tire and join it on the previous structure as shown. Repeat the steps and make 1 more structure like these. Now take 3 3-hole elbows, 3 BO shafts, 2 male axle couplers, 1 60mm axle and join them as shown. Then take all 3 structure and 2 1-hole elbows and join them as shown. Now let's see if our structure is working properly. For this, take 1 battery, power blocks and attach it to the motor driver boxes. Oh! It works good. How about controlling it from hand gesture? For hand gestures we will use Accelero blocks which has acceleration sensor and senses our hand movement. Join the Accelero blocks to the power blocks and let's see the movements real quick. Now take power and Accelero RX blocks and join them to both the motor drivers as shown. Also attach wire tap between port 4 of Accelero RX and a motor driver blocks. Finally, take 2 blocks holders and attach it to the structure and let's join the blockses to our structure. Our structure is not very stable. To make it stable let's attach some locks. To make it take 2 1-hole elbows, 1 male to male axle coupler and join them as shown. Make 2 structure like these for both the legs and attach it to the structure as shown. Now take 2 1-hole elbows, 2 1-hole beams, 2 male to male axle couplers and join them as shown. Make 2 structure like these for both the legs and attach it to the structure as shown. Do the same step for the other leg as well. Now take two 1-hole elbows, one male-to-male axle coupler and join them as shown. And then join them to the top part of the structure as shown. And voila! Our inchworm robot is ready now.